Friends, welcome back to Nifty Max Algo Trading channel, and I just wanted to give you all update about our algo trading performance, which is working in Bitcoin USD. Okay, so also I'll explain how I made a profit by using my algo trading strategy. Okay, so this is the Delta Exchange, the real live, the PNL report I'm showing you all. Okay, and you can see the date from the 29th, 29 day to till 16 June. In 15 days, nearly 15 days, you can see that the PNL almost 19k profit I made. Okay, so also you can see the consistency of winning days. These are the winning days. The PNL, like today also I can, the Friday 16 Jan I booked 1.37k. Yesterday 2200, day before 2.49, and the loss was very less, 431 rupees. Okay, so this is also you can see 3.78k. So overall the consistency of profit is too good in this algo trading strategy. Okay, and this will be the, like daily only one trade. It will not like multiple trades, so only one trade per day, and the consistency is very good. You can see the graph how it's taken to the profit graph. So this is how I made a profit by using this algo trading. This completely automated. We no need any manual interruption. Okay, everything, entry, exits, everything it will take automatically by using tradetron. Okay, this is the this is PNL which I'm showing. It's my account, my profit I made. Okay, this is a real, it's not like a demo or paper trading, nothing. So overall in from 29 to 15 days, the consistency, the weight I got, and that I got made total nearly 19k profit, friends. Okay, this is very good algo trading strategy which is working consistently and giving consistent profit to me. And okay, so if you have any doubts, please contact below mentioned description number um, to know about this Bitcoin USD algo trading strategy. Okay, as I mentioned, this is only take one trade per day. Also this is in evening session. It will not take multiple entries, multiple trades, nothing, only one trade per day, and that's enough. Okay, so in that only I can able to do this kind of profit. Okay, so please contact for more information about this algo trading. Okay, and I'll see you again with the updated results. Until then, take care. Bye bye.